Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 28th, and on January the 15th we started our gomphrena seeds, and on January the 18th they started germinating for us. So I just wanted to give you this update on them. Now, they have not gotten their true leaves yet. When they get their true leaves, we will start feeding them. We'll feed them once a week with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. It's a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. So never feed a dry plant because you will risk burning the root system, and we don't want to do that. So always make sure your plants are well watered before you feed them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.